Welcome to Plyrotech YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about shape of the airplane's wing. Okay, let's see what is the shape of the airplane's wing. When you view from above or below the aircraft, the shape you can see is the shape of the wing. Okay, let's see what are the shape of the airplane's wing. This is called rectangular wing. The rectangular wing is a non-tapered straight wing that is mostly used in small aircrafts. This is elliptical wing. This shape is called elliptical and this is called elliptical wing. Okay, this is called moderate taper wing. The tapered wing was designed by modifying the rectangular wing. The area of the tapered wing is reduced towards wing tip. Okay, this is called swept back wings. The majority of high-speed commercial aircraft use swept back wings. You can see the wing shape is like this. So this is called swept back wing. Swept back wing reduce drag when aircraft is flying at transonic speed. That's why commercial aircraft using swept back wing. This shape of the wing is called delta wing. Delta wing is using for supersonic aircrafts, especially for fighter aircrafts. Okay, now we talk about 5 type of shapes of the airplane wings. This is rectangular wing. The wing is straight, and this is elliptical wing. Wing is like oval shape, and this is moderate taper wing, and this is swept back wing. This is delta wing. Okay, now let's see with the photos of aircraft. Now you can see most of the aircraft is designed as per the shape of the birds. Okay, now you can see this aircraft is with the rectangular wing. The rectangular wing is the simplest to manufacture. It is a non-tapered straight wing that is mostly used in small aircrafts. This is called elliptical wing. Elliptical wing is aerodynamically most efficient. This type of aircraft were used during the Battle of Britain. Okay, this is an aircraft with tapered wing. Tapered wing was designed by modifying the rectangular wing. This type of aircraft also used for battle. Okay, this is with delta wing. This low aspect ratio wing is used in supersonic aircrafts. The main advantage of a delta wing is that it is efficient in all supersonic, subsonic and transonic. This is an aircraft with trapezoidal wing. Trapezoidal wing design offers outstanding flight performance. This type of wing is commonly used in combat aircraft. This aircraft with a ogive wing. The ogive wing design is used in very high speed aircrafts. This type of wings are very complex and difficult to manufacture. Supersonic Concorde aircraft used ogive wings. Okay, this is an aircraft with swept-back wing. The majority of high-speed commercial aircraft use swept-back wings. Swept-back wing reduce drag when an aircraft is flying at transonic speed. Okay, this is the aircraft with forward swept wings. Very few aircraft that use this type of wings. This is the aircraft with variable sweep wings. Variable sweep wings are mostly suitable for high speed like supersonic and transonic. Variable sweep wings were designed to optimize flight experience over a range of speed by adjusting and varying the shape of the wing. So as per the requirement, the wings will be adjusted. That's why it is called variable swept wing. Please subscribe and wait for next video.